So in my last video, I showed you guys these. These are my homemade M80A1, but I used a mild steel core. So in my last video, you saw I just had made the bullet, and this is a hardened steel core. I marked the tip black with Sharpie so I could tell the difference. Otherwise, they look basically identical. So now I can tell the difference which one's hardened steel and which one's mild steel. I haven't super glued the core in this one and these two yet. These hardened steel cores, so I'll show you a quick look at that steel core again. And they will get super glued in there before testing. So each of these bullets, it didn't change at all when I did the mild steel from the hardened steel. So in my mild steel ones, I did 45.6 grains of ram shot tack, and that's exactly what I did with the hardened steel as well. And the same COL of 2.78, and so they both weigh around 155 grains, so we'll have a good comparison what mild steel does versus hardened steel to a mild steel plate. This is 3 pieces of 1/4 inch thick steel I welded together, and to make 3/4. So this is 3/4 inches of mild steel. But I might add another plate because in my M80A1 testing video of the real M80A1, it went straight through 3/4 inches of steel. So now I think I'm gonna put another piece of steel on this maybe, and so we can see. I'll shoot some of my mild steel homemade M80A1, some of my hardened steel core M80A1, and then the real M80A1. We can compare them to an inch. So I think I'll weld another piece of steel at the back of this to make an inch of mild steel, and we will see what happens.